everyone, I'm Lisa from Down to Earth Gardening and Design, and welcome to today's video and Happy New Year. Today's video is on ground covers in the winter. So you all know how much I love my ground covers in my garden, and I will tell you it's for a couple different reasons. One is they are so low maintenance. Two is a lot of times we'll have some problems we're dealing with in the garden, such as slopes, erosions, and whatnot, and they really help solve that problem. But three is they also kind of eliminate the use of mulch, so less mulch because they're covering some nice ground area, so they'll minimize the weeds. But probably the top reason why I love them is the seasonal appeal that they offer. So typically you'll see me out in the garden, spring, summer, fall, but I wanted to show you what things look like in the winter, and specifically today, ground covers. I'm going to bring you some other plants in the future, so stay tuned. But I want to show you a few in my own yard and what they're looking like right now. It's the first day of January. It's chilly. I'm in Northeast Connecticut, zone 6B, and they are really bright and looking beautiful in the garden right now. So when a lot of things are not looking so pretty or they've been cut back, I'm really enjoying the ground covers. So the first one I want to show you today is my ground cover sedum, and I have a couple different varieties right here. So still retaining their color, bright burgundy and some golden yellow. But the next one alongside of it, and I have some more of this in the front, is my Creeping Jenny. So this is more of a trailing ground cover. But I want to bring you to the front yard where my boulder walls are, because I've planted some Creeping Jenny out there and it's really beautiful. So if you want to follow me to the front, I'm going to show you the Creeping Jenny out there and a couple more that I'm really enjoying. Okay, so now I'm in the front yard. Sun comes up over here, gets some nice morning sun, and this is the Creeping Jenny over here by the boulder walls. And this is first year's growth. Look at the beautiful golds and the burgundies. And I love the trailing habits here in the front as well. You can really even see them pulling up the driveway. But I have two more that I planted this year right next to the Creeping Jenny. So one is here, also first year planted, and this is my Candy Tuft, considered an evergreen ground cover, which means that it stays green all year long. And here I planted 3 plants with the hopes that as it matures, it will grow together and make a large mat. And then I have a Snow in Summer here, beautiful gray foliage. And in the spring, it's going to throw up a really pretty little white flower. But that's really popping right now too. Let's see, on the other side here, maybe you can see towards the back, I have more of the Creeping Jenny. And those are just 1 plant each over there. And then more Candy Tuft. Also looking pretty great. Okay, so the last one I want to show you is my Moss Phlox, which also going to flower in the spring. The first one I'm going to show you down here on the boulder wall, just planted in the fall, and you may have seen the video on planting those there. But I want to show you another one in another garden that I've had for years that's mature, and just the difference in how those look. Okay, so here's the newbie. This Moss Phlox we just planted, I believe it was early fall. This is just 1 single plant, planted closer to the edge of the wall with the hopes that as it matures, it will creep down and drape a little bit. And I have a few of these here. And then let me show you the more mature moss phlox that I have that is quite a few years old. Okay, and here we are with the more mature moss phlox, and look at how gorgeous this mat is here. Now, I do have to say that it is a different variety, different color flower, and this was actually here when I moved in. And it is stunning when it flowers, but I also think it looks pretty interesting right now. I mean, look at the color and the texture of this here. So that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much for joining me. I really enjoy doing these videos for you, and I'm wishing you all a happy and healthy new year. And hopefully I will see you next time.